What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with another video. In this video, I will be talking about when is the best time to trade US30. New to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos how you can make some daily cash. All right, you guys know when you come to my channel, man, we jump straight into the video. As y'all can see, man, US30 has just been going crazy, man. We got a sell here, a nice buyback up to this supply. Came back into the supply 3 times. Crazy sale right here. All right. So it may drop even lower. Most of the momentum is going to come in the morning. So let's just look at all of this. All right. Now the market moves in sessions. You got Asian, London, New York, and they color coded. So we got Asian over here, London right here, the earlier part in New York, and then the later part in New York. So New York session is from like 8 to 5, but inside of New York session, you got New York Stock Exchange. New York Stock Exchange open is what I trade. I don't like trading before 9:30. 9:30 is up in here. Then as you see these larger moves. So let's look at London. It's not too much going on. All right. This is like 6, 7 in the morning. And then you finally start to get some moves. Asian session. Oh my goodness. Look how little these candles is. All right. Look how little, look how little these candles is in Asian session. There's no way. Let's keep looking a little bit more. So you know it's not like that's just for today. All right, let's go over here. Okay, now let's look at this. So remember, this is Asian session. So remember, this is Asian session. This is London, New York, later New York. All right, now Asian session, we got this sideways movement. Nothing really going on. London session, nothing really going on. Like I'm telling you, look at these candles. You don't want to be trading in the market with these little candles that could easily fake you out or go in any direction. Like nothing is going on here. All right. Now we get over here to New York session. Look at the movement. We actually have a direction. You see that? A trend. Here, sideways, sideways, trend. The size of the candles. Look at the size of these candles in Asian session, London session, and then look at the candle size in New York. Like you'll literally save so much time trading one session. You feel me? Just trading one session. Look at this. Look at this. 9:30. This has to be 9:30. Look at the moves. All right. Look at the moves you can get in the morning versus this. Why risk? Why risk? And you wanna know what's funny? This was one of my problems for the longest. I used to always try to catch US30, NAS 100 before my session and always end up just losing way more than needed. All right, way more than needed. It's nothing to go off of. Now, right here, cool. Let's say you took the buy right here. I'm a scalper. All right, so that's the first thing. You got to know like what type of trader you are. So if you a scalper, trying to hop in trades in these sessions is definitely not gonna work. All right, it's not gonna work. But if you're a swing trader and you catching it off of this, cool, and yeah, you would have caught you a nice trade. But look at this pullback. Oh, my bad, y'all. But look at this pullback right here. This would have probably scared you or made you hop out, and you wasted 2 sessions. All right, you would have wasted 2 sessions if this pullback would have stopped you out. Let's say you in profit and you moved your stop loss in profit thinking it's gonna take off. You just wasted 2 sessions to get stopped out versus waiting until New York session, waiting for the liquidity to sweep, and then hop in. All right. Again, look at this. Little candles, nothing to trade, nothing to risk your money on here. Okay, now this particular day, this is on a Friday. So the trend, I'm guessing, taking off some more. So London session, yeah, it was a nice little trend right here. So this was kind of equivalent to a New York session move right here. I would say if you do trade this and you do make your money, don't try to come back New York session. You gotta just understand, like, you gotta treat this like a business. You feel me? You gotta treat this like a business. If you made money doing London session, leave New York session alone. You feel me? Because you gonna think that this is supposed to keep buying, all right? And in reality, that was a nice buy, but it literally came back and you could have took that same trade in New York and it went and created a better high. So every session plays a role. All right. Every session plays a role. Every session to me plays a role, but nothing is like New York session. Some days, as you see right here, the move is gonna come later, but that's not majority of the time. But you definitely gonna have some days where New York Stock Exchange or New York in the beginning is just gonna be consolidating, and then later in the day we might have power speech or something, and it'll take off. But yeah, some days it's definitely still gonna consolidate. We're not gonna always have the best days in New York session, but that's what majority of the volume is. Like, look, what is this? All right, what is that? All right, we're gonna keep looking. We're gonna look some more, a little bit more. Now, right here, look how little these candles are. Like, why would you want to trade this? Yeah, it moved. How many points this was? This had to be a stressful. That's 172 points. That's stressful, bro. Like, imagine being in this trade this long just for 100 points. All right. London session didn't do nothing. And then here we go, New York, straight push. So let's look at this. This one counter alone. Look, this one counter alone is 110 points versus being in this all, like what? This one candle alone already 100 plus points. Feel me? So it's like, just wait. So it's like, I'm telling you guys, like, New York session is the best time to trade. It's just easier for you to catch a move as a scalper when all of the volume and opportunities are here. Look, 100 points down, 100 points back up. Like, it's just so many opportunities in New York session versus here where you got these little candles. Just because you can trade New York session does not mean you can trade Asian and London. They're totally different. As you can see, the movement is not even the same. All right. We have different things going on in New York session. We got news that come out in New York session. We got liquidity. We got banks. We got supply. If you trade supply and demand, you definitely want to wait the New York session. Pretty much it. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Other than that, I'm out.